Hi, are you not sure what to do if your virtual computer got crashed or data is lost? Yes, there are few precautionary steps to retrieve the data as well as the entire virtual computer, including the applications that are already installed, including the configuration. I am going to explain one of the unique options available in this VMware workstation in this video. In my screen, I have already created a virtual computer by installing a Windows operating system. If you are not sure how to create a virtual computer as well as installing a Windows operating system, please do watch my previous video. I have shared in the link in the description box. Now to log into the virtual computer, go to VM tab on the top left corner and select Send Control Alt Delete so that you could enter your password and log into the virtual computer. Once logged in, I have opened a notepad and entered the text and saved the document on the desktop. Next, for a testing purpose, I am going to open one of the Edge browser and I am going to try to install an application, a Google Chrome, which is a simple application. I am just showing as an example. I am downloading the Google Chrome and trying to install the Google Chrome. Once the installation completed, I will go with the unique option to back up my system. Now the installation was completed and now I am going to take a snapshot of this computer. To take the snapshot, do right click on the virtual computer and select Snapshot, Take Snapshot. Enter the snapshot name, select Take Snapshot. The snapshot has been taken and you could able to see that snapshot available in the snapshot manager. To see the snapshot, do right click again the virtual computer and select snapshot and click on manage snapshots. In snapshot manager you could able to see the snapshot one which we have taken recently. Then close. Now the game begins and I am going to do some changes here. Now in the test document I am going to do right click and delete the test document, as well as I am going to uninstall the Google Chrome application. Do right click on the test document and I am going to delete it. At the same time I am going to open control panel. From the start menu, select uninstall a program. Select the Google Chrome and uninstall that. Once the Google Chrome is uninstalled completely or removed completely, I am going to revert the snapshot and I am going to show you how to do it. Now the Google Chrome has been uninstalled successfully and you could see in a control panel the Google Chrome is not available after a refresh. Then finally, do right click on the virtual computer, select snapshot and select revert to snapshot 1. So my snapshot will be reverted. The virtual computer will be reverted to the original state while I am taking the snapshot. Once the snapshot is reverted completely, you could able to see the test document as seen in the desktop screen, as well as the Google Chrome application. You could even able to see that Edge browser is kept open even after the installation. This was the present state of the virtual computer while taking the snapshot. There is one more option. You could not remember all the time to take the snapshot. So there are other few options that will be helpful for you to take snapshot automatically. For that, do right click on the virtual computer, go to settings, select the options tab. There you could able to see the snapshots and I am going to select ask me. So each time when I do power off my virtual machine, it will ask me to either take a snapshot or to just a power off. Now I am going to power off my virtual computer and we could see the option. Select the virtual computer and do right click and select power off. Now you could see the dialog box available on the screen. I am just selecting to take a snapshot, and if I go do right click and select snapshot and see the snapshot manager, I could able to see and snapshot has been taken while doing power off. I could even revert back, else I could delete this snapshot. I am going to delete this snapshot because it was not useful for me. To delete the snapshot, select the snapshot and click on delete. It's very simple. In our next video, let us see how to clone a virtual computer. Even whatever the application you have installed will be replicated in a new cloned virtual computer. I will share you the steps and what are the options available in this cloning. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do comment if you have any doubts. Until then, I am signing off. This is Venkat. Bye.